In this video, we show the biggest water festival in the world, Songkran in Pattaya, Thailand.
Hello everybody from Songkran. They all make me red.
Songkran traditionally begins in Thailand on April 13th and marks the start of the new year. It has its roots in an old tradition that is mainly about washing away old sins and moving on to something new and good. Many rituals were and are still performed in the temples. For example, pouring water over Buddha figures. It is supposed to bring good karma and good luck for the next year. Nowadays, the water festival is a huge party, especially in cities like Pattaya or in some areas in Bangkok, for example. By the way, if you like this video, please follow the channel, thumbs up and write something in the comment. Thank you.
They did this to my face. And the very special thing is, here on the left side is directly the beach. I will show you the beach. Already Pattaya Beach. I have to make a video with you. You look so beautiful. สวัสดีครับทุกคนครับHappy Songkranครับ
And this musician here is playing traditional Thai music from Isan live at the Songkran party.